welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Can we please appreciate this glorious sunshine that's hitting my skin right now? Like, oh my goodness, I'm in love with the sun. It's got my soul so rejuvenated. Like, I'm actually so excited to film this video with this sunlight. So today I'm going to be filming an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to be doing a beginner-friendly eyebrow tutorial showing you guys who are wanting to up your eyebrow game what I do to achieve the model brow. If you've been on this channel for a while, you know like eyebrows are a big thing for me, and yeah, unfortunately I wasn't blessed in that department, but with a little bit of, actually with a lot of all these products we can get somewhere. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I achieve my fluffy eyebrow look, because I always get like questions and compliments, so I just thought I'd film this video. It's gonna be a quick one, hopefully. Well, I say that, but I do ramble quite a bit, so forgive me. Yeah, so it'll be worth it anyway. Okay, so I've already done my skincare routine. I've prepped my skin. I'm actually loving how it's glowing right now in the sun. So I've got nothing on my face, no makeup on my skin, of course. So I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see up close and personal my eyebrows. I'm just gonna start this video so we can get it over and done with, and you guys can see how I achieve what I deem to be the perfect brow for me. You guys might not agree, but for me, it seems to work out. If you guys enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and if you are new here, hey, nice to see you. Welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, you know it's me. Okay, so let's just get into this. I'm gonna zoom up now so you guys can see my eyebrows. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I've zoomed up real close. My hairs are very much non-existent. So yeah, first things first, I will be brushing my eyebrows just so I can, you know, make sure they're all just neat and tidy for the most part. Just brush them. Doesn't matter how little your hairs are, a little brushing goes a long way. Alright, so now I've taken my Rimmel eyebrow pencil. Can you guys see that? This is the Rimmel eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. I do need to sharpen it up. You guys can see that's looking super sharp now. Now I'm just gonna basically outline my eyebrows. Just gonna draw them in. I like working from the tail. I don't know why, because I like to create my arch first and then I know what I'm working with, depending on how thick or thin my arch is. But I tend to just follow the shape of my natural eyebrows actually, so it doesn't really differ from that. But you guys can see the difference of that already. And I like just build the product up from there. And there we go. So that's literally it for the most part. And now I'm going to take my spoolie, and what I like to do is I like to brush it out, because by brushing it I'm kind of like removing some of the product, but I do like doing that just because it like softens up my eyebrows a little bit. So that's the first step. And don't worry, it doesn't need to be too neat because you are going to conceal your eyebrows. So yeah, that's the first step for me. And then I do like to take my fingers and just kind of like tidy up the lines just a little bit. But like I said, it doesn't really matter too much because you will be concealing your brows. Up next, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking first, so this is a brow gel that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. It's just standard, but I'm just taking the brow gel and I'm just lightly brushing it onto my brows, and that's, like I said, just to keep to keep my eyebrow hairs up in place. You guys can see there's a difference, obviously a huge difference to what I started with and what I'm ending up with. So that's the second step. Now the third step that I like to do, now I'm taking again another eyebrow gel. This is the PS Define brow gel, and this is a colored gel. Again, same kind of technique. I'm taking most of the product off, and then again I'm going to lightly brush the product onto my eyebrows so you guys can see, and I just like to do it gently. Don't want too much product on there. As you guys can see, I have got a little bit too much on this side, but I'm just gonna work with what I have, and I'm lightly just brushing it on to my brows. And that is literally it for the most part. I do like the way that's looking. So now that's done. Last but not least, you guys know if you've been on this channel that I do love the Eyebrow Girl concealer, and this is in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So I'm just taking this concealer with my concealer brush. This is the Primark concealer brush and 121 precision concealer brush. So I like to use this on my brows. So I'm just taking a little bit of the product. Well, actually that came out quite a lot. And what I like to do is now just clean up my brows. So I'm just gonna work on the tail again, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna tidy it up, not too much. because I still want it to look quite natural, so I don't want it to be like too sharp, you know what I mean? So it's just to kind of like get it more aligned. What I like to do is take my finger and just kind of like blend that in, you know? So it still looks very much natural and bushy. Okay, so that's that part. Now I'm just going to take the concealer brush and I'm going to line up the top of my brows as well, just slightly. And I don't do it directly on my eyebrow, I just do it above, and then you're going to see I'm going to use my finger to just kind of like blend it out. And this is just so it creates more shape and definition, you know. So can you see the difference? Like there's like an actual shape now, you know. I love saying you know you know. So there you have it. That is my version of the model bushy brow. So you guys can see this is with the eyebrow products on my eyebrow. It does look super natural, and of course without any products on my eyebrow. So that is literally it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this eyebrow now. I'm just going to speed through it, and yeah, that'll be it, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm all done. Okay, so I've now zoomed out and you guys can see my face again. So that is basically it for this eyebrow tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This is a beginner friendly eyebrow tutorial, so for all you beginners out there, this video helped you basically. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know how it turns out for you guys. But yeah, this is it for the most part for my eyebrows. I love the way they look. They're super natural. Yet they are still very much defined, and I'm loving the way they look. They're pretty good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, the sun is disappearing. Give me a second, I'm gonna have to bring up my ISO. Look at the sun is literally going. This is the thing about filming with sunlight. Oh my goodness, just gone. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it here. I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! And the sun's back.